up, YouTube? It's your girl Spechel Nicole, and I am back with another YouTube video. Welcome back to my subscribers. Welcome if you are new. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay in tune with all the things that I have going on my channel. I give you my Microloc journey, a few beauty and makeup videos, and then I also share different aspects of my life through lifestyle vlogs and my relationship. So if those are things that you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video, share it. You never know who might could enjoy my content. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so today's video, if you read the thumbnail, the title, all that good stuff, you know it is my 14th month loc update. I know, I can't believe it's been 14 months, but yes, it has, and here we are to talk about any and all changes that I have been experiencing with my Microlocs this far. So first up, I want to touch on my maintenance routine and any changes going on there. I recently uploaded a wash day routine showing you how I wash my hair using my favorite products. In that video, I did mention how I wasn't braiding and banding, but in a few videos back, I mentioned how I did want to start braiding and banding. So when it comes to wash day, I am braiding only this center area here to prevent it from bunching because I did have some bunching issues going on. We will get there in a second. But I only braid and band the center area here, and then I'll just let the rest of my hair be free. That has kind of been working for me since I've been doing it these past month or two. Also with wash day, I am washing more frequently, so I have been experiencing a little bit of dryness with my hair where it's like not retaining moisture like I would like it to. So I am washing every week now, trying to hold myself to every week. And I am also incorporating leave-in conditioner, which is also in that last wash day video that I uploaded. You'll see me use it. I am using leave-in conditioner every wash day, and I have also dabbled in incorporating deep conditioner into my routine. With the deep conditioner though, I'm only doing that once a month. I don't want to build up too much, have too much product build up. So I just try to do that once a month just to help with that moisture retention with my wash routine. So like I said, washing every week now, using leave-in conditioner and deep conditioner, keep using my oils, and I'm trying to battle this dryness that I've been experiencing. So far so good. Also with maintenance, as you can see, it is time for your girl to interlock. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I do not enjoy interlocking my hair anymore. Last time I talked about how I wanted to find a salon to get a Loctitian to take over the maintenance of my hair from time to time because I don't have the time like I used to anymore to do it myself. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I did get some suggestions of different salons around the area, but I went on the site today to book. I feel like I would need a consultation because given that I started my locks myself and was maintaining them myself and I have a decent number, I felt that it would be nice of me to get a consultation first so that I could build that relationship with the Loctitian so they can know what to expect, all that kind of stuff before they just dive into my hair. No consultations available until September 29th. It is September 10th. And I'm like, my hair nappy now. So I'm going to do my hair this time around, but your girl is going to try to get her consultation. I'm probably going to go on that September 29th appointment consultation so I can be already in the system, meet and greet, do whatever I need to do so somebody can do my hair next time around. Because next time around will probably be around holiday time. That is how I'm feeling about maintenance when it comes to interlocking. Your girl is going to try to get her an appointment to get someone else to do her hair, and I will let y'all know about that. So if you remember, in like the end of May, beginning of June, I dyed my hair. I will insert the links to all these videos down below, especially for my new viewers who do not know that I have been creating all these different videos about my microlocs. I want you to stay up to date because a lot of you are asking questions about different things, and I already have a video on it. So I want you to follow my journey, and I'm gonna link every video down below that I discuss. So anyway, I colored my hair back in May. Beginning in June, I use a black semi-permanent dye, and it has been holding up. We'll get into 360 later, but I can tell it's fading, but it's still black. So I'll say 3 months. 3 months is holding up, and I haven't had to reapply any yet. I probably will do some in the fall, kind of getting close to wedding time, so that the color is fresh. So yeah, I haven't done that in 3 months, and it's been holding up. Alright, so when it comes to the progression of my microlocs and their maturing stage, the twists are persistences. They are still here, and I kind of just wish that, you know, they would stop. Like, go away. I just wish that they would kind of like settle into what they're supposed to look like. The twist stage has been fun, but I think I want to see some change. And don't get me wrong, I do have change. I have budding, especially in the back. The ends are sealing, and they are changes, but it's just, ooh, I just washed my hair, so it's really damp right now. But I just wish that it would just be a little more, you know, a little more of a lock, and not just some twists that I had in my hair for an extended period of time. That's just how I feel. Alright, so I mentioned bunching earlier in this video. If you haven't seen that video about how I fix bunching, I will link that one down below. I was experiencing some bunching in the front center of my head, and that's why I started braiding and banding in that area specifically. So far I have not, once I fixed the bunching, again, that video will be linked below on how I fix bunching, I haven't had any more issues with it. Like, still, this is really where the twist area is persisting the most, but everything has been good since then. So I will continue to braid and band in this problem area here. When it comes to length, I got this hood on, but length, and my hair is still wet, like I said. Length is lengthening from time to time. I could definitely see the growth. Like, if you look at where I started and where I came from, I definitely have experienced growth. Now I'm in a period where my hair does shrink, and I think it has to do with it being a little more dry. But when my hair is moisturized and damp and stuff, that it kind of retains the length. But over time, throughout the week, as my hair dries, it will shrivel up, shrink up. And especially when it's time for me to retie my hair, I will experience a lot more shrinkage then too. Speaking on that, another reason why I've been trying to add in moisturizing products to my regimens, because I have been experiencing shedding. You saw that in my last wash day video. I still have that shedding going on when I wash my hair, which it could be normal, could be not, could not be. Either way, I don't want to have persistent shedding, because having that shedding is going to keep me from having length. My hair is breaking off. So I'm going to keep moisturizing, keep applying conditioner, especially to my ends, so that the shedding problem and issue that I'm having can chill out a little bit, you know, because we want to grow, right? Last thing that I can think of for this 14th month loc update is I have a Problem Loc. So Problem Loc it's always been kind of a problem loc, because it's so, you can see how thin it is. It's so thin. Well, every time I interlock it, it gets in a knot. I always get a knot some way, somehow. So like, you have this little knot down here, I have this one here, and then now I just got this one when I was trying to interlock it really quick because it's always slipping out and it's just really, really thin. And I don't know why, because you can see the parting space for it is a decent size, but the lock itself is really, really small. It has grown a lot because it was really, when I started it was probably like as long as my fingernail. Um, but it's not making any type of progress. It's really just fading away, and I think it's just gonna snap off one day, especially now because I have this big knot at the root. And even when I try to interlock the rest of it, it still just turns into a knot. So that's a problem lock. I don't really know what to do with it. I think I'm gonna just let her sit there and till I figure it out, because I will combine it, but because of where it is, see, it's like right here with my ear. I don't have another anything on this row because it's like was in front of my ear, kind of. It's like a sideburn lock, I guess you can call it. So I don't have anything beside to combine it to. I can go up, but then that's gonna throw off like the everything. So that is a problem lock. My first one, my only one actually, and I don't know what to do with her. We should name her, so whenever her funeral comes, we can give her a nice memorial service. I guess those are all the updates, the changes, and things that I have experienced in these 14 months. So now I'm going to give y'all a 360 of my hair so you kind of see what your Microlocs may look like at 14 months. Everybody's journey is different. Everyone's hair is different. So yeah, I just remember something. Another thing I have is my hair does not grow into the lock. So all in the middle, the sun, like all of this stuff here, when my hair grows, another reason why interlocking is a headache for me. My hair does not grow into the lock all the time. So like I have to like fix parts, wrap hair around locks, like all of this is out. So I'll have like little mini froze in between locks in some areas. That's also frustrating. Just remember that. But so my loctician might can help me with you know what I'm saying. But let's get into this 360.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle.
Alright, you guys, so that's all I have for you today. I know you probably see like white stuff in my hair. That's just the leave-in conditioner, because remember I told you I just washed my hair, so it is still wet, or damp I should say, and everything's not dried up and soaked up into my hair yet. So I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Again, check out the description box below to see the links to all of those videos that I have discussed. If you are new or old here, go ahead and hit that like button so other people can see this video and get to be inspired about starting their Microloc journey as well. So I appreciate you for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.